Tanmandal. I'm the creator of YouTube channel flepourlezexperts, a place where learners of all the ages, from kids to adults, can find resources to learn French language. I also share success tips to score well in your exams based on my 15 years of teaching experience. And today we are going to talk about
So here's the excerpt of the lesson which we are going to cover today. The contents would be definition of subject pronouns in English, singular, plural, different subject pronouns in French, key points, and lastly, some fun interactive exercises. So what is a subject pronoun? Subject pronouns are those pronouns that perform the action in a sentence. They are I, you, he, she, it, we, they, or could also be a name of a person, thing, or animal. So any noun performing the main action in the sentence. For example, I make pasta for my children. Vincent eats his lunch. My friends participate in the dance competition. So what are different subject pronouns in English? I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Let us revise them in detail before moving on to French pronouns. Part 1, singular. So first person is the speaker. Hi, I am Shreya. Second person is the listener. You're studying about subject pronouns today. Third person would be the observer. He is taking over, he's talking over phone. She's writing something. This is my toy panda. It has black sunglasses. The third person could also be a name of a person. Charles is confused and doesn't know what to do. Third person could also be an object. The book is open. Third person could also be a place about which we are talking. The church is beautiful. Moving on to part 2, plural. Subject pronouns in English. For first person plural, we. We are talking to each other. You both are still dancing. You'll get late for the class. Third person plural, they are talking about their science project. Now, time to learn subject pronouns in French. Pronom, sujet. Pronom, sujet. So what are different French subject pronouns? Je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, elle. Time to learn them in detail. Part 1, singular. Je. First person singular, je, I. Second person singular, tu. Tu is used in informal context. Example, when we address to a family member or a friend. Third person singular, il. He or it. So il refers to a male person or any masculine object. Remember that in French language, every noun has a gender. So either it is masculine or feminine. Third person could also be elle. Elle refers to a female person or any feminine object. Again, remind yourself that in French language, every noun has a gender, so either it is masculine or feminine. So there's a special case for the third person, that is on. On means one or it. On is used in impersonal context. Example 1, one should wear masks in public. Example 2, it is prohibited to smoke in theaters. Moving on to part 2, plural, French subject pronouns. Nous, first person plural, nous, we. Second person plural, vous. Vous can be used in two contexts. Context 1, formal, when we address to our colleague or professor. Context 2, plural, when we address to more than two persons. Third person plural is il. Il can be used in two contexts. Context 1, persons, when we address to more than two male persons. Context 2, objects, when we address to more than two masculine objects. Third person plural is also elle, they. Elle can be used in two contexts again. Persons when we address to more than two female persons. Objects when we address to more than two feminine objects. So I hope the subject pronouns in French were clear, and let us see what are some of the key points. Key point 1, correct sequence. So it is very important that we learn the subject pronouns in French in the correct order so that the next lesson when we are going to learn the conjugation, we can conjugate and learn the conjugations correctly. Key point 2, here is the table of English and French subject pronouns. Now let's practice whatever we have learned so far. So in English, French, how many singular subject pronouns are there? 2, 6, 5, 3. Singular subject pronouns. Remember from your lesson? Yes, there are 3. There are 3 singular subject pronouns. Question 2. Ram is talking to you. In this phrase, Ram can be replaced by which French subject pronoun? Tu, elle, il, vous? A small tip for you. Translate all of these French subject pronouns in English and see which is the third person singular. So third person singular is il or elle. Now Ram is a male person. So we will replace Ram by il. Yes. Here are a couple of more exercises for you to practice. Links are provided in the description and you can access these notes from our website. Merci! In the next episode, we will continue with the Leçon 2 of Apprenons le Français 1 and learn the numbers 0 to 20 in French. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at flepourlezexperts@gmail.com. You can also visit our blog. The link is mentioned here. Thank you. Merci.